I'm Brian from Destin the Wild, and this is Blizzard Ball.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Nate's ball first. Hold on, light it up. Thank you. Go. Set hike. Okay, second down. Okay. This video not brought to you by Glow City for all your nighttime sporting activities. Set hike. Oh, I overthrew him. Oh God. Yeah, goggles are a must. Ooh. Okay, again, first down is the lawn chair pad cover. And it's third down. Third and short. Set. Hike. Fourth down. Oh, I gotta put my goggles on. It's getting pretty nautical out here. All right, fourth down. Got to get to the cabinet there. Okay, ready? Say hike. Oh. Okay, other side of the end zone here.
I haven't smelled food.
Say hike. Just gonna put it up.
It's hard.
Incomplete.
Incompletion.
A lot of snow. How many inches you say we got?
6. 5 and a
6?
half.
Yeah, I would say about
7.
probably 5-6 inches already in a short amount of time.
Why did I say 5 and a half?
I don't know. Well, let me put my goggles up. Here we go. All right, ready? Set hike. Oh, incomplete. Incomplete. Oh, had him. Sunka, you dead?
No.
Let's go. Okay, here we go. Spaghetti. Sassafras. Set hike. Oh, God. Oh, boy. It's getting sloppy out here. How's it taste?
Good.
Yeah. Got him. It is fourth down. We are sticking. Set hike. Just gonna throw it up. Oh, a little hold. Oh! It's too sloppy. Oop.
He kicked me in the face.
If he didn't have goggles on, it would have hit him in the face.
Yeah, my eyes would have been hurt.
Well, let's be a little more careful.
But my eyes aren't hurt.
Good.
Can we go from here?
Sure. It's your ball? All right. First down.
He incompleted it.
All right, you ready? Ready? Set hike.
Darren walked into the fourth.
Oh, he got him. Oh! He can't get the completion. Ready, Scooter? Yeah, you're Scooter. I was talking to him. Set hike. Oh, God. Okay. Please catch. Oh, God.
You threw it too high. It's third down.
Set hike. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh. Where'd you get snow where the sun don't shine?
No.
Oh, good.
A bit right here.
Yeah.
Right now.
Okay. Set hike. Oh, slow play. My hands are freezing here, waiting for you to get open. Oh my God, please. Oh, he gets there. Gets there with the big D.
just one breath away? Or am I just